Step-by-step guide to starting smart mining of ViaBTC. In order to help our miners to get the best possible profits, now we present you the step-by-step guide to starting smart mining of ViaBTC. Smart mining consists of two different mining modes, namely as manual switch and auto switch. Auto switch provides an automated way of profitable mining using the designated algorithm to monitor the real-time status of possible returns. In comparison to manual switch, it's more flexible and easier to keep tracking of your mining returns. Here's the step-by-step guide to start smart mining in ViaBTC. Go to www.viabtc.com, then click Settings from the drop-down menu on your right-hand side. Click Switch Mining Pool under the Mining Settings to select a new coin type. Select Mode and Coin Type. No time for hesitation, try smart mining now.